The following video is for a 4-piece installation. When beginning preparation for the installation, you will need to take the YSR connector and position it over the cable and mark it. Strip the installation to the mark, and be careful not to nick the cable during stripping of the wire. Once you have stripped the wire, insert the cable into the connector. Insert the connector in the die and ensure that the cable is fully inserted. The cable strands must be visible through the inspection holes. Now you can compress between markings beginning near the center of the connector to make the connection. Make sure you always crimp from the center going outwards. Because of the different barrel sizes, some splices require more than one piece of clear heat shrink tubing to be properly insulated. Once the connection is made, slide the larger tube over barrel 1 cable and the smaller tubes onto the barrel 2 cable. Then, using the same steps above, connect barrel 2. Once the splice is fully crimped, slide the smaller piece of heat shrink over barrel 2 until it stops. Apply heat until full shrinkage is reached. Move the second piece from barrel 2 cable over barrel 2 again until it stops. Apply heat until full shrinkage is reached. Repeat these steps for the third piece of heat shrink. Apply heat until full shrinkage is reached. You will now need to slide the tube from barrel 1 over the completed assembly and apply heat. For heating temperature, use a lower temperature heat shrink and a low wattage gun, or the low settings on a multiple wattage gun. For these clear tubing installations, 135 degrees Celsius, 275 degrees Fahrenheit is the max. Your installation is now complete.